You're probably familiar with the price of gold rising in the COMEX, but here to talk to us about physical demand is Miguel. Miguel, thanks so much for being back with us.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
So Miguel, what are you seeing on physical demand side for BullionVault?
Well, BullionVault has been very brisk the last few weeks. Good buying, especially we've seen some increased buying in the Singapore market, which is one of our newer markets.
Wow, why do you think that is?
I think we have a lot of Asian buyers and people wanting to hold it outside of the Western Hemisphere.
Okay, so if you're seeing demand in Singapore, are you seeing it in Europe and the United States?
Yes, we are seeing it in Europe and the United States, especially when it dropped down. That's a lot of fresh buying came in, but a lot of new buyers, a lot of small buyers coming in. People who are testing the waters and looking to get in and maybe build a position.
So they might have been building a position the past couple of weeks. We've seen gold run up about 8% since the 8th of July. Is that when you saw a lot more of the buyers come in, or?
Yes, it was before the run-up. It's starting to slow down now, but we're still seeing good buying coming in. I was speaking to another person in the marketplace yesterday who told me, and he deals in the coin market, and he was telling me that even that's been brisk, but did slow down this week.
So what are you guys expecting going into August?
Well, I mean, we always expect that we will see continued growth. Especially, we're closer to the bottom than the top. So people are looking to build their investment portfolio and diversification into gold. And our platform enables them to do it at any time, and they could, the liquidity and pricing is transparent, so they can access the pricing in the market at any time. So whenever there's drops, we're going to see a lot of activity. So we're hoping to see continued growth into August.
Okay, and final question. You've seen probably a little bit of a taper off in the past few days on the physical demand side because prices have run up so much?
That's correct, and that's when the public sees the prices run up, they just back off a little bit and wait to see if it's firm or if it's going to come off a little bit. And I think it's a wise move on their part because the thing to do now is to buy dips.
Okay. Well, Miguel, thanks so much.
Thank you for having me.
You heard it from Miguel. BullionVault is seeing demand rise in Singapore. They're still seeing quite a demand everywhere else. For TheStreet, I'm Deaux.